January 11th, 2021, percents number 2. All right, so we just looked at percents with hundreds, with the 100 grid. Now we're going to look at it with a tens grid. So there's 10. All right, so the first one, the fraction. Well, what fraction of this puzzle is shaded? Let's take a look. So we have 1. Oh, you can't really see that. We have 1. Oh, can't see that either. All right, we have 1. There we go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded. So 4. And how many are there total? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 total. So now if you get 4 out of 10, you can read that as 4/10. So our decimal, how do you write 4/10 as a decimal? 0.4. So 0.4, you can always add a 0 at the end if you want to make that into a percent as 40%. 40%, because we can take that decimal and we can move it over to make 40%. To multiply it by 100 to get us to 100, we can get 40%. Now also, if you take a look at our fraction, 4/10, and you want to get to 100, so if we want to get to 100, to get our percent up here, we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. So then 4 times 10 is 40. So you get 40 hundredths. Or the decimal could be 0.4, or it could be, for the fraction, as 40 hundredths as well. All right, let's take a look over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded. 6 are shaded out of 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 out of 10. If you get 6 out of 10 on a quiz, you're going to get 6/10. Well, if you read this, 6/10. 6/10. Whoop. So how do you write that? 0 and 6/10. To make it into a percent, if we multiply both top and bottom by 100, or that decimal by 100, we will get 60%. Because you can always, remember when we did our tenths, you can put a 0 after that 6, and when you put a 0 after that 6, that's 60 hundredths, which is the same thing as 6/10, which is the same thing as 6 over 10 in our fraction, and it is also going to be 60%. So if you do 6 divided by 10 on a calculator, you will get 60%. And that's it for our sneak peek of percents.